So here from home screen, in the upper right, there's fields. Okay, so now if I go search fields, there you can see back shed field. Now if I touch on that, we have in here what's called a planting plan, which hopefully will simplify things when we get to the field. So I could go through, add clients, add farms, add fields, get them all added, get them all in here, and then go through this planting plan. And this is meant for you to fill out ahead of time, and you can input your crop that you intend to plant, corn, soybeans, there's a whole list, but let's say corn. Then if I have a hybrid I plan to plant, I can select it from that same list. I can put in how many acres the field is if I want to. If I plan to plant multiple hybrids, I can add multiple, but when we get to the field, it's only going to make the top one active on all rows. So if you split the planter, you'll have to assign them when you make the field active. Down here below, if you use ROFL or VDrive for variable rate, you could select a prescription and attribute. If you're not using variable rate, it would be on manual, and what you type in here is the set point that it's going to use to monitor from. When you do this, if you've either planted with 2020 Field Viewer before or you've imported fields from Climate Basic, since we have spatial data and know your field location, when you drive inside of that, you'll get a prompt on the iPad that says, do you want to make X field active? And you can hit yes. And then, once you hit yes, it's going to pull up this screen right here. And it's going to have in it everything you already selected in the planting plan. So whatever I put in from a manual rate, and the top hybrid I put in, it'll have it assigned to all rows. If all this is correct, I hit confirm, it changes my active field, changes my population monitoring set point, and changes the hybrid that is being mapped. Now, if I have split the planter, I'd have to come in here, assign this to half, add another hybrid, assign it to the other half, and then hit confirm. So you don't have to do that planting plan deal, but if you do it ahead of time, and then what you end up actually doing is what you planned on doing, it should make things a little bit easier.